Is the voice any better now? Is the voice any better? Hello? Is the voice any better? Okay, ठीक है, थोड़ा सा आज glitches unnecessarily हो गया मेरी गलती की वजह से ही. Otherwise it was running fine. Okay, so that's how. Now in your textbook, page number 130. Page number 130. Okay, in the old edition and 134 in the new edition. Okay, there is discussion which is around the development of lithosphere, and page number 132 dekho. Page 132 okay, in your old edition and 136 in the new edition. Look at the first column, okay, the last paragraph. It says the sequence and the stages of primary biotic succession. Are you all having your textbooks with you? It says development of pioneer plants. One is the development of pioneer plants. Then it says the pedogenesis. This is the soil formation. Pioneer plants में moss आ गया, fungus आ गया, and so on. Then you have got soil living organisms. Then it talks about, okay, again, secondary communities like, again, mosses, and dense community starts forming more and more. Okay, then you have got herbaceous plants, and then it talks about forest communities. Okay, so ये जो stages हैं, this is essentially the xerosphere or the lithosphere. और इसके पहले पैराग्राफ में, in the new book, page number 136, Environment Geography by Savindra Singh. I think the books मैंने आपको बता दिया already. और नहीं भी है तो कोई बात नहीं, go by the class notes. Okay? Environment Geography by Savindra Singh. So the textbook जो लिखा गया है, that is lithosphere. Go by that. 136 में नहीं है. So जो 134, 5 में देख लो. It is under the section just before. It is just before secondary biotic succession. अच्छा 135. Okay. Not 136. It is 135. 135 and it stretches into 136. Okay, ठीक है, fine. ठीक है? So the list, जो stages हैं, the stages are the lithosphere stages. The stages are the stages of the xerosphere. So what is biological succession? What are the factors in the biological succession? How ecosystems develop, how ecosystems are disrupted, and very specifically, what are hydrospheres and how the sequences develop. Okay, and very specifically, what are xerosphere stages or lithosphere stages and how they develop. All good here? All good here? You keep them to be similar. The main difference lies in whether that becomes a forest or not. Not required. समझा तूने शांतनु. Lithosphere, okay, it all depends on, lithosphere depends on whether they become forest or not. If they don't become forest, the area is drier, then we use the term xerosphere. And if there are enough moisture, rainfall, okay, a good development of the sediments, it now becomes lithosphere. So take them to be same and write the same discussion, whether they ask you xerosphere or they ask you lithosphere. Okay? So that takes care of this discussion. Now, one more discussion I want you to know is, okay, about the bio, geo, chemical cycles. Okay, the biogeochemical cycles. Akash, the last discussion था the development of the forest. Okay, shrubland के बाद में development of the forest, and the forest develops if the climate allows for the forest to develop. ठीक है, it's all about vegetation, not fauna. Fauna आएगा बाद में, but the ecosystem's development depends on the vegetation. That's why आपकी किताब में भी succession is discussed under plant systems. We don't have biological succession in case of animals. Not like this. Okay? So keep it to plants, keep it to flora alone. Okay. Now biogeochemical cycles. Again, not asked. Basically, these are what? These are natural material cycling on Earth. And this includes water cycle, rock cycles, and gas cycles. What is biogeochemical cycle? Okay, biogeochemical cycles are natural material cycling on Earth. Okay, we have water cycle, we have rock cycles, rocks and sediment cycle, and we have gas cycles. Okay, a very important aspect of this cycle is that these cycles are on the principle that material and matter continuously gets transferred, okay, and their forms change. It's based on principle that material and matter continuously get transferred and their forms change, and the total amount may be considered constant on Earth. This is the main principle. Okay, ये जो cyclings हैं, they are based on principle that material and the matter continuously get transferred and the forms change. Okay, and their forms change, but the total amount, okay, is kind of conserved. The total amount may be considered constant on Earth. And when I say Earth, I mean the Earth atmosphere system. Yes, a good example to consider Earth as a closed system. A good example to consider Earth as a closed system. Energy can come in, the matter does not escape out. And when I say Earth, we mean essentially Earth atmosphere system, or Earth isme ho jayega the entire body of Earth, the crust, the mantle, the core, the atmosphere, the water bodies are part of this. So all of this is like a system. Heat budget is about energy, and heat budget does go out of the Earth to maintain the balance. In case of material cycling, it does not leave Earth. It remains in the Earth atmosphere system. So it's not exactly heat budget. Now, your discussions, एक तो है about the water cycle. The water cycle, also called as hydrological cycles. Okay. Then we have rock sediment cycles. And then I said the third component are the gaseous cycles. Gas cycles mein we have oxygen cycle, carbon dioxide cycle, nitrogen cycle. We also include phosphorus. Phosphorus ज़्यादा rock का part है. Phosphorus cycle. is mostly a part of the rock cycle. Okay, so और भी हैं, but okay, and you can also call this carbon dioxide or also call this as carbon cycle. Yes, we also have sulfur. Okay, sulfur का भी gas component है. Sulfur is also part of rock sediments, okay, cycles. But for discussion, we primarily will consider the carbon cycle and know the nitrogen cycle. I think these two are more important concepts. हैं तो बहुत सारे. The carbon cycle and the nitrogen cycle, these are the more important ones. Now, a typical question that they can ask you is, they can ask you on, okay, what are these cycles? Okay, discuss them. Okay, and a question linked to this is discussing the disruptions. Okay, एक तो है discuss the cycles. Okay, और second है the disruptions. The disruptions again part of the ecosystems imbalance. The disruptions are part of ecosystems imbalance. Now I'll quickly give you this. Okay, talking about the cycles. There's something called as the main sinks or reservoirs, and then there are exchange mediums, and there are components that play a role. Any cycle has these three things. There is a sink, a reservoir, there are exchange mediums where the exchange happens, and then there are components that play a role. Most of the exchange, okay, medium and the components include lot of life forms. Life forms में plants are important. Plus in recent time, the human activities, these are more of disruption. Okay, so what is the concept of cycle? What are the important cycles? What are the concept of cycles? What are the important components of the cycles? Yes, they get disrupted because of the anthropogenic activities. And the cycles may, the main components are, or the main parts are, there is a sink or a reservoir. There are exchange mediums where the exchange happens, and some components that play a role in enhancing this. Most of these are life forms, and I said human factors also are important disruptors. Okay, so let me take up the carbon cycle. The carbon cycle. Carbon cycle में there are three main reservoirs जो हैं. एक है atmosphere. Atmosphere is an important reservoir. The second important reservoir is the solid earth. Okay, solid earth, ये mantle rocks में है. Okay, crust, mantle plus crust rock में है. And the third important reservoir is the oceans, the dissolved carbon dioxide. The dissolved carbon dioxide. And the ones that play a role, these are plants, grasses. Okay. There are animals. What play a role again are plants. Oceans mein there are plants. Again, there are animals, fishes. And the exchange happens between animals and atmosphere. Okay. Plants, atmosphere and plants, Okay. इसके साथ भी there is interaction from the atmosphere to this and back again. Okay. जो back होता है, okay, this is by the process of tectonics. This is in the process of fossil fuel burning. Okay, आपको इतने याद रखना है. Okay, the atmosphere, this is carbon dioxide. 0.03% of the atmosphere composition is carbon dioxide. Okay, there are life forms which are animals, there are plants. There's an exchange. The exchange is because of the biological process. With the solid earth, okay, there are tectonic processes and human aspects. Tectonic processes like volcanism can release, okay, and human aspects like fossil fuel burning. When you burn coal, you release carbon dioxide, okay. And in the ocean, this is the land component, and then there is a ocean component. Ocean component में the bulk of it is dissolved as carbon dioxide. This is in the cold and the deep waters. Deep waters. Or near the surface, again we have life forms which perform this role of absorption and release. Okay, some of the plants absorb photosynthesis, and respiration also can release some amount of carbon dioxide. इसके अलावा you also have directly from the atmosphere towards oceans. ये वाला directly भी है. When the oceans become warmer, warm oceans will release, and oceans will also absorb by what's called as sequestration. Because of the pressure of the carbon dioxide, oceans also will absorb. So if you look at this, there is a set of biological factors, So respiration and photosynthesis. Okay. There is a process by which life forms decay, and the carbon gets trapped on the land. Think of humus and the rest. The third component is tectonic activities that releases carbon dioxide. The fourth is oceans absorption and release of dissolved carbon dioxide. And the fifth component is the human factor, such as associated with emissions. And when we say carbon cycle, it also includes what's called as VOC, volatile, organic carbon. VOC includes carbon monoxide, and it also includes methane. So if you remember this much, you have some content for the carbon cycle. So आपको यही discuss करना है. Biological processes of respiration, of photosynthesis, processes related to life, decay, and carbon getting trapped. So when life forms will die, the carbon gets trapped in the on the earth. Tectonic processes that release carbon dioxide, oceans that absorb and release dissolved carbon dioxides, human factors of emissions. And then I said, when they talk about carbon cycle, you do not talk about carbon dioxide alone. You also talk about what's called as VOC. VOC, volatile organic carbon, which includes carbon monoxide and methane. Carbon monoxide and methane, their greenhouse effect is to 20-25% more than carbon dioxide. Okay, is 25 to 20%, 20-25% more than, okay, the carbon dioxide. Components versus sinks. Sinks are those large bodies which absorb, and components includes like life forms. You're talking about, okay, human activities. You're talking about plants. You talk about the role of maybe some animals. They are not the main sink. Main sink यही तीन है. Atmosphere है, the solid land and the oceans, और इन तीनों में भी the solid land is more important base sink of the carbon cycle. Okay, soil is not a sink. Okay, soil hota hai, but the word sink is much larger. Exchange mediums. The exchange mediums includes, okay, we have got again the life forms, we have the ocean currents, we have the gaseous evaporation, condensation with the water. Whatever moves is part of the exchange mediums. Okay, so part of atmosphere includes exchange mediums. Part of oceans include exchange mediums. There are sinks, there are main, okay, components that play a role, and the exchange mediums जिससे कि carbon dioxide move करता है. Okay, so this is the carbon cycle. Here you can say stock and flow, correct. Now the question can be on the disruptions. So the disruption की बात करो, talk about disruptions in all of these. How, okay, biological factors, say think of deforestation, disruption. Think of, okay, disruption because of mining and fossil fuel burning. Disruptions related to, okay, emissions. Disruptions related to the oceans becoming warm or cooler and sequestration. Okay, so pura answer 10 mark ka hi hona chahiye, not more than that. So one paragraph explain what the cycle is. Maybe 2 paragraphs with diagram explain how it operates. Another 2 paragraphs how the disruption happens by various human activities. Okay, and human factors mein, emissions, you can talk about the role of urbanization, the role of agriculture, the role of livestock, the role of deforestation, and so on. Yes, methane also because of melting of Arctic ice. Yes. उसके बाद बेटा आपको जो current affairs पता है आप add करोगे. Okay. So not a question asked, but I'm just getting you ready so that you have some idea in case they ask you. In case they ask you. Now there is one chapter here. I would like you to go through that. Yeah. In your textbook, page number 121 in the old edition. This is chapter number 9. Chapter number 9. Okay, can you see this chapter number 9? Isme page 121. I do not have the page number of the new edition. There's one section called Carbon Cycle, page 115, which has a diagram. Look at figure number 9.8. Figure number 9.8. ये कौन से पेज में है? Page 115 is it? Is it page 115? No, page 122. Okay. Page 123. 123 in the new edition. Okay, so if you want, you can look up this carbon cycle here. Okay, that's one. And for nitrogen, there is 123 page number. Page 123 in the old edition. So new edition शायद होगा 125 में और 126 में. Okay, page 126. This is figure number 9.9. Okay, नाइट्रोजन कहां पर है? नाइट्रोजन जो फिगर किसमें है? पेज जो 9.9, the diagram on which page? Anybody? On which page? Page 126. Page 126. Okay. Page 126. Now, nitrogen cycle, okay, is a very nice diagram. I think among the best one that I found I could refer to. Okay. So it says, nitrogen का एक तो है atmospheric nitrogen, and then it says there is soil nitrogen, and then there is, okay, nitrogen cycling happening from the atmosphere into the soil, from the atmosphere into the soil, from the soil we have the plants, from the plants, okay, we have got decomposition, okay, and atmosphere. Okay, decomposition, or maybe I can simplify this: plants and animals. Okay, these are decomposed and then released. So after death, I've simplified the diagram. After death, and this is by nitrogen fixing bacteria, and this are by lightning fixing. And this is the main storage pool. The nitrogen cycle. So diagram जो आपका किताब में दिया है, I have tried to simplify it. We have the atmosphere. This is the gaseous pool. This is the earth. Soil pool. Okay. This is the gaseous pool in the atmosphere. ठीक है? So explain this. What is nitrogen cycle? Start with the idea of cycle, how it circulates. Okay, there are two main pools, the atmosphere and the soils. The fixing is by lightning. The fixing is by bacteria. Like you have got natural bacteria you absorb nitrogen fixing bacteria, and then the soil से uptake होता है plants, animals. Okay, soil and earth. You also have nitrates. Nitrate rocks है, taken by plants, animals, decomposed and again released. Again released. Yes, atmosphere is also a pool. It is the gaseous pool. This is the gaseous storage pool. This is the earth's, okay, soil storage pool. So you have both of them as pools. ये भी एक pool है और ये भी एक pool है. Okay, the disruption primarily is by use of fertilizers. The disruption is by, okay, nitrogen mining. The disruptions because of climate change and extraordinary lightning reactions in thunderstorms, and the consequences, like, and also disruption by release of N2O in emissions. which comes as what's called as NOx. Okay, the disruptions are primarily use of fertilizers. Atmosphere, yes, atmosphere is a gaseous pool, correct. Atmosphere is a gaseous pool, correct. Okay. आपका जो storage pool है, one storage pool is the earth, the rocks, the nitrate rocks and soil. The nitrate rocks, the soil is one of the storage pools. The second storage pool is the gaseous pool in the atmosphere. Okay, 3/4 of atmosphere is nitrogen, and the disruptions happens because of use of fertilizers. So nitrogenous fertilizers, okay, overuse है. Nitrogen mining, nitrates mining. Again, this contributes to fertilizers here. Climate change and extraordinary lightning reactions in thunderstorms. Lightning is a very important reason, ye wala, why we have nitrogen fixation. Okay, and then release of NOx emissions. Okay, release of NOx emissions. And N2O is part of that release. Yes, उसके बाद बाकी आप ऐड करना जो करना. Gaseous pool से lightning के वजह से we can have some fixing in the soils. Okay, it falls down, okay, and it fixes in the soils. क्या process है? I do not know this, but remember lightning is also responsible. And one of the consequence ये जो N2O है और NOx है, they are responsible for depletion of ozone. We have discussed this already in a couple of lines. N2O or NOx, they're responsible for depletion of ozone gas, the ozone layer. Okay, so with stratospheric, okay, warming, the polar vortices, more pollutants, more and more N2O and NOx gets trapped in the atmosphere. Okay, and that again builds up with the polar winds, and we have depletion of ozone. So utna detail zarurat nahi hai. Yes, the chloride radicals free up, correct. Because why? Because they free up chloride radicals. And you know about stratospheric clouds. Okay, this is one of the consequences. ठीक है? So have some idea about this. 10 mark के short note में, okay, this could be one of the questions. Now we'll move on. All done here? The good thing about geography में ना, ये सारा चीज आपको detail नहीं लिखना है. Unlike in GS, you don't need the details. You need reference to this. Okay, 2 or 3 lines में you finish this off. What are the disruptions because of, okay, human activities? Fine then. Now, there are a couple of things. Do you want a 5 minutes break? Maybe take a 5 minutes break. We'll come back in 5 minutes. Okay, and then we'll finish off this topic. A bit about the conservation management. Okay? So come back in 5 minutes. Okay. Do we start now? Yes? Fine. Okay. Now, this is like a summary sheet, okay? In geography, they have not yet asked you anything about a specific act. Okay? Nitrification, yeah, nitrification, वही तो बताया बेटा आपको मैंने. यही तो nitrification है. This is nitrification. This is nitrification. This is denitrification. That's about it. Okay? We don't explain the processes. You can't hear me. Audio problem, you can't hear me. Can you hear me? All good, fine here. Can hear, audible, fine, all good. Okay. So one of the questions asked to me right now is, so what about nitrification and denitrification? So what is nitrification? इसका मतलब होता है fixing on the land. And what is denitrification? This is release of nitrogen from the land. Okay, so ये वाला process जो है, this is the denitrification process. और जो ये process है, this is the nitrification. This also is nitrification. ठीक है? Okay, fine. अंकित settle है? सब ठीक है? All fine, अंकित? अंकित all fine? No, he's not responding, so I guess it's fine. Okay, fine, yeah, ठीक है. Let's move on. So now what I'm saying is, they have never asked, okay, no specific laws or legislations have been asked. Okay. But when they ask you about, okay, but when asked about environmental conservation, when you asked about ecosystem management, now these are the few things you should know. It's like a summary I'm giving you. Okay, it's like a summary I'm suggesting. इसको note कर लो. Okay. Now, environment issues are taken up in our constitution. These are part of DPSP. DPSP Article 51A. It talks about that the duty of every citizen to protect the environment and the environmental resources, okay, including lakes, rivers, etc. Okay, and then it also says Article 51A talks about the duties of the citizens, and Article 48A talks about the role of the state. Okay, I mean, see, these kind of facts are very important, maybe to start off a sentence, to end an answer. Okay, but a simple points hai. So I'm just giving you a quick list, like आप इसको answer में use कर पाओ, at your convenience use them. Okay, now the Ministry of Environment and Forest. So the Ministry of Environment and Forest, and now it has been also called as Ministry for Climate Change. Okay, this was set up in 1972, and after the Stockholm Conference. Yes, the fundamental duty, DPSP, correct. After the Stockholm Conference, very important one. Okay, Stockholm Conference. Okay, and the ministry, because of this, the ministry came up in 1985 This was a very important landmark. The ministry itself comes up in 1985 and as the apex body. It is the apex body. Like it manages, the ministry it manages the pollution control boards. It manages water board. It manages your forest acts. It manages wildlife. It now also gives a blueprint to manage climate change. Okay, so Ministry of Environment Forest, you also include climate change in it. 85 में बना था under the or after the development of the Stockholm Conference. Stockholm Conference, a very important one. Okay, now in support of whatever environment objectives we have got mainly 5 initiatives. The 5, okay. Now for environmental protection, there are 3 approaches, or there are 3 components. One is controlling pollution. Okay. Then we have wildlife protection, and then we have the forests. So these 3, okay, primarily यही 3 में environmental protection is carried forward. Plus there is some other कुछ और other miscellaneous भी है. Okay, so I'll talk about this now. To control pollution, yes, it was renamed, correct. To control pollution, we have the National Green Tribunal, okay, Act 2010. We have the Air Pollution Control Act 1981. We have the Water Pollution Control Act 1974. We have the Environment Protection Act 1986, and we have Hazardous Waste Management Act, regulations, okay, and the series of them. There's no one year here. Okay? So we have NGT. The third is forests. The third, I'll say, components. Environment protection, there are certain components. The components include एक है control of pollution. NGT Act 2010, Air Pollution Act 81, Water Pollution Act 74, Environment Protection Act 1986, and a series of regulations for preventing hazardous waste. Series of regulations for preventing hazardous waste. Hazardous waste बहुत तरह के हैं. Nuclear waste है, hospital waste है, plastic waste है, disposal of electronics का अलग है. So a series of regulations है. Okay, fine. So then Wildlife Protection Act जो हमारा है, this is 1972. 1972 is the Wildlife Protection Act, okay, and this has got amended in 2003. 2003, the punishments have been made more stringent. They've been made more strict, more stringent. Okay, Wildlife Protection Act. Then we have forest के लिए we have the Forest Conservation Act 1980. Conservation Act 1980. इसके अलावा जो miscellaneous है, one is the the Biodiversity Act 2002. 2002, and this is based on the objectives of United Nations Convention, based on United Nations Conventions on Biodiversity. Okay, so CBD भी बोला जाता है. Based on that, we have this, yes, Aichi, correct. Aichi in Japan, Aichi. And miscellaneous में you also have the coastal regulation zone. अब ये act भी हो चुका है. Okay. And 2019 we had the modification. We had the modification in 2019. So this is the rubrics you will talk about. I repeat, they will not ask you any one particular act. At the miscellaneous में, you can also add our national missions, for dealing with climate change. ठीक है? Yes, miscellaneous में EIA भी आ जाएगा. ठीक है? So more or less, this is the rubrics you will deal with. So put these facts into your answers. Conclusion में हो, introduction में हो, miscellaneous में. One is the Biodiversity Convention. We have the Coastal Regulation Zone Act. Okay. 2019 में ये modify किया गया. We have the National Mission for Climate Change. We have EIA. Miscellaneous में you also have the Convention for dealing with combating desertification. इसका part भी है. So miscellaneous में बहुत से अलग-अलग आ जाते हैं. Okay, you have got the Hyderabad Protocol, the Nagoya Protocol, and so on. National CBD, United Nations Convention on Biodiversity. Okay, biodiversity. This became the basis of our National Biodiversity Act. Okay. Yes, climate change alag se, they can ask you, but you should know what to deal with. Okay, climate change, we do not have an act for climate change. We do not have a proper act for climate change. We have a series of mission plans. National Action Plan for Combating Climate Change. Okay, we have National Action Plan for Combating Climate Change. We have some bodies like disaster management. Miscellaneous में you also have, you have the Disaster Management Act. Okay. So miscellaneous का list अलग है, but what I'm saying is that these are the main ones you have to play with. See, what happens is when you write down about an answer, say asking answer about how to deal with pollution or how to deal with wildlife, okay, loss. उसमें क्या होता है? If you do not know the specifics, आपको इतना ही याद रखना है. And then whatever you know, most of you know about the problems of loss of biodiversity, you know about watershed management, you know what are national parks, उसे पता है आपको. But I want to answer to mention these acts also. Yes, this is the Convention for Combating Desertification. मैंने बताया ये वाला. Okay, UNCCD, Convention to Combat Desertification. Correct. Okay, so I think that's more or less part of your environment syllabus. If you look at your syllabus, okay. Oh yes, Manjeet, you can always infer. Article 21, right to life, has many other things. You can go on there. ठीक है, उसके बाद बेटा आप याद use your GS. Your content will be far more sharper in GS than my content. What I'm saying is use this in your answers. Use these facts in your discussions is what I'm trying to tell you. ठीक है? So guys, that's about it. Okay, I had allotted 7 classes, but we went a bit slow initially because online we couldn't pick up pace. But thereafter, okay, we have managed. So 9 classes mein we have finished off. Okay, you have got the mails? Okay, you have got mail. Vijender, yes, I reminded the office, they have sent mail. Kuch log reh gaya hoga. Okay, Takht Jan scheme, but I do not have that with me right now. I'm not carrying that textbook with me right now. Takht Jan scheme. one of the questions you guys had was about New Zealand. Now, see, देखो New Zealand में, it is not a major. Some of you were discussing. I saw in your wall channel में, New Zealand जो है, like it is not an important region. It is not important region. New Vision, okay, groups New Zealand as a part of Australia, whereas एक और scheme पुराना वाला है called as Goods Scheme. This groups New Zealand under Antarctica. So इसमें बहुत सारे variants हैं, okay, बहुत सारे variants हैं. Pave, perception, attitude, values, ये इस टाइप का क्वेश्चन कुछ नहीं कर सकते निवेदिता. These type of questions where they ask random theories, okay, yes है, it basically means issues of attitudes, perception, okay, attitude, values, environmental theories, okay. Don't get into all of that. ऐसे questions को छोड़ देना, there's no point. And environment education, okay, nothing really separately to be talked about. वही awareness रखो, talk about the curriculums, talk about whatever we can do as a part of propaganda, whatever we can do as a part of your, you know, your programs for enlightenment, okay, nothing really in a big way, okay. Oriental and Australian, you want the difference there. Okay, let me see if I'm carrying that map with me. I didn't bring it today. I didn't bring that with me today. You want Takht Jan's scheme? Okay, I'll take a snapshot and I will share it with you. I don't have it with me right now. जो किताब है मेरे पास उसमें नहीं है. ठीक, I'll do that. 30th June and 2nd July unavailable. No, हमने डाल दिया है. Check your mail. You should have received it on the mail. 2nd July जा चुका है. I think the second day itself I had put it by 3rd. Okay. Yes, you have it. You must have missed it, beta. We have sent it. I sent it very fast the next day because I know biogeography will be a bit tricky one. और answers देख लेना. Answers जो भेजा है मैंने, I think 15 odd answers I have sent. Okay. उसमें you have got some charts also. So by now you have a collection of good 70, 80 answers now. Okay, we have given oceanography, climatology, environment biogeography. 70 to 80 answers with summary sheets bhi hai. How to approach test? वो भी आपको मिल जाएगा. I've put it on your channel. Look that up, please. Test discussion, I think is on 10th. क्या डेट रखा है टेस्ट डिस्कशन का? I think 10th. You missed the session about the test. Okay, I'll put that video again. Okay, I think I've shared the video with all of you. Have I? I think I've shared the videos. अगर नहीं है तो हम दोबारा डाल देंगे. Those who are in the test, you have got a separate channel for the tests. ठीक है? Yeah, I've shared it. Look it up. It's already there. It's showing as private. Okay, then let me have a look. I will maybe गलती से हो गया होगा. ठीक है? I will do that. It should not be private. 30th and 2nd. Okay, Preksha, let me check. I'll get back to you. Yeah. Discussion is open to all. Okay. Now, by the way, let me tell this to you. For the discussion of the tests, yeah, listen, all of you listen. For discussion of the tests, you will have a separate Zoom ID, which you must all register on. Just as registered, okay, for your regular class, you must also register separately for the test discussions. In the test discussions, we will also add the students who have taken only tests. So I'll send the links to all of you. Please register on it in time. Okay? And for the test discussions, all are allowed. Whether you have taken the test course or not, all of you are allowed to look up the test discussions. ठीक है? Date time regular होगा. You'll have 2 sessions for test discussions, morning 10 o'clock and also evening. Yeah, listen. Test 1 is on 8th. This is for those who have enrolled in the tests. There will be enrichment plus tests, and there are some who have enrolled only for the tests. The discussion is on 10th. Okay, discussion is on 10th. Yes, Jyoti, we have a separate channel for the test groups. You should have joined that by now. Check your mails, आपको मिला होगा वो वाला भी. Okay, don't share the links here. It's only for the tests. Okay, on the 10th, you will have a separate Zoom link on which you must register again. Okay, and there are 2 sessions. You'll have at 10 o'clock plus you'll have at 6 p.m. Test discussions takes more time. Okay, I'll do that. And those who are giving your test, the tests are to be uploaded on our evaluation tool, which is correcto@educemi.com. For this, you will receive a separate mail. हाँ तो दे देंगे ना बेटा आपको. We'll do that. For the test registration, we will start sending. Not yet. Okay, I'll start sending. I'll do that. Okay, fine then. Yes, you will get the question paper before the discussion. Yes, Anup, you will get it. Yes, you'll get. I'll put the question paper on the channel. You all can look up, no problem. Okay, Shiv, I will have a look. I'll get back to you on that. Okay. Then that's about it. Okay, we are done with these 4 sections, and give your test. Those who are enrolled, we'll come back on discussions on 10th. To revise karo, you have good 4 days with you now. Revise the answers. Okay, practice the answers. You're good bank now. Try to improvise and improve on it. Okay, then bye-bye. Take care.